Hi, this is the review of the order trading system activity for March the 20th, 2021. We had 4 trades on that day. 3 were buys and 1 was a short sell. First trade was CRON. That's Kronos Group Incorporated. Tripped at 11:55:31 a.m. at a price of 7.44. It was a short sell. It closed the day at 7:42. Closed at its open, so that's good. Anyways, it closed below its tripping, so that's a positive. So let's go have a look at the indicators. OBV was moving down. You can see mid-afternoon. It had mid-late afternoon. It had a bit of a recovery or a positive direction, but at the end of the day, it looks like it was coming down again. MACD, pretty much it was moving down. Averages wise, you can see that that reversal, positive activity in the mid-afternoon and late afternoon closing. It was dropping, and DI showing the same thing. Bollinger Band dropped and moved up and dropped. So they're all showing the same thing, and the end result was that stock was dropping and positive outcome of it. Next trade is FCX. That's Freeport McMoran Incorporated. Tripped at 11:57:18 a.m. at a price of 40.76. It was a buy. Closed the day at 41.22, up 1.23%. You can see it's down 0.90%. Still, it is above its tripping price. So even if it was a possible, it would have been a positive result. And the indicators for this, 57, 57, 18, yes. The indicators, OBV, volumes are moving up. Averages, MACD, coming up and multiply moving up on a regular basis. You can see the end of the day, though, averages were coming down. DI actually was well. DI was doing quite well, positive movement direction-wise. And you see, in the day, it's basically moving sideways. And Bollinger Band, same thing, came up and moved sideways. A little bit of a drop at the end of the day, though, but nothing drastic. Next trade is NWAX. That's Novavax Incorporated. It tripped at 3:17 p.m. at a price of 146.03. It was a buy. It closed the day at 146.39. Early morning 150.45, up 2.99% and 2.77%. So the stock's doing quite well. So that's another positive. And OBV moving up, MACD moving up, DI moving up. You can see in the day, though, DI is showing, MACD showing that it was dropping a little bit on those averages, but the Bollinger Band, though, is moving sideways. So even though it was dropping, the indicators appear, the averages, the price activity itself wasn't showing any drastic movement at all. So that stock was in another positive. Next trade is TGI. That's Triumph Group Incorporated. It tripped at 3:30:06 p.m. at a price of 15.05. It was a buy. Closed the day at 15.13, and it was actually down 8.02%. But it closed below its tripping, so that's a positive. We'll take a look at the indicators. You can see the end of the day is where the stock obviously started moving upwards. OBV afternoon, mid-afternoon, mid to late afternoon moving up. MACD mid to late afternoon moving up. DI moving up strongly, and Bollinger Band. So that stock actually started recovering obviously the end of the day. Yeah, a little here. So end of the day, or the end of results, the results of this particular day is 4 out of 4 stocks. That's 100%. And I'll leave it at that. You can't get much better than that. Thank you.